between a manager and an employee in a company. Manager: Good morning, Ashwin. How are you today? Employee: Good morning, sir. I am doing well, thank you. How about you, sir? Manager: I am good, Ashwin. Thanks. I wanted to talk to you about the project you are working on. How is it going? Employee: It is going well, sir, but I am facing challenges with the deadline. I am trying to finish the task on time. Manager: I understand. Do you need any help or resources to make it easier? Employee: I could be helpful if we could get a few more team members to assist with the workload. Manager: All right. I will check with HR to see if we can get some extra help. Employee: Thank you, sir. That would be really helpful. Manager: No problem, Ashwin. Keep me updated it. You need anything else? Let's aim to complete the project successfully. Employee: Of course, sir. I will do my best. Thank you for your support. Manager: You're welcome, Ashwin. Have a good day. Employee: You too, sir. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.